Today's video will guide you on how to import bookmark to Google Chrome. This is a bookmark we would want to import to our Google Chrome. To do that, open up the Chrome browser on your PC. Now, you click on the three dots in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Then, you click on Bookmarks and Lists. In the options that appear, select Import Bookmarks and Settings. Now, you choose the HTML option in the bookmark because our bookmark is an HTML file option, so you select it. Then you click Choose File and you select the HTML file you want to import by clicking on the file. So this is saved on the desktop. You scroll through, this is a bookmark, you click on it, then you select Open. Then Google will automatically import the bookmark to your Google Chrome, as you can see. So you click on Done. You can also toggle the option to show the bookmark bars. So once you're done, you click the Done option. So that's it, guys. Easy and quick. Please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.